Oh my god.
That I really consider.
इसमें हो रहा क्या? Yes. I see reusable pads. Nice. Oh, is this a sari?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, sustainable living. नमस्ते, आप सबको देख के बहुत ज्यादा खुशी हुई। मेरा नाम है राधिका एंड बाय द टाइटल यू ऑल नो दिस चैनल इज डूइंग इट्स फर्स्ट एवर मिस्ट्री बॉक्स एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड प्रीति सेड यस। अगर आपको नहीं पता है मिस्ट्री बॉक्स क्या होता है, सो इट्स बेसिकली आप आपके फ्रेंड, फॉलोअर, सब्सक्राइबर या फैमिली मेंबर को रिक्वेस्ट करते हो कि वो आपके लिए गिफ्ट बॉक्स बनाए। उसकी बजट भी आप खुद डिसाइड करते हो एंड उसके अराउंड एक थीम भी हो सकती है। से बाय you're from Maharashtra, so maybe you'd like a Maharashtrian mystery box or something like that. Now I requested Preeti to do it. Preeti is one of that friend who I don't think so I'll let go. I'll tell you why. So Preeti is into sustainability and veganism. And जैसे आप लोगों को ऐसा है ना कि अच्छा मैं तुझे देखती हूँ तो मुझे इंस्पायर होता है, मुझे ये प्रीति के लिए है because एक तो I met her online and apparently I followed her and after a few days you also ended up following me back and she's also yoga sadhak. So we study yoga together. I mean in our personal life but we like practicing yoga.
Yeah.
And I, as you know, मैं vegetarian बनी हूँ and now I want to be a vegan and that's why I said कि I'll not let her go because अगर आपको upgrade करना है तो आपके साथ भी वैसे ही same mindset वाले लोग होने चाहिए. For me that is this woman. I always end up seeing her stories. Like I am doing my waste management only and only because of her. In fact, there's so many things that I've also changed in my life because I've seen you doing that. And ऐसे नहीं कि I cannot do it, but इतना मुझे लगता नहीं है कि I have those sources or doing it. But when I see you doing it and so effortlessly, I feel like हाँ यार कर सकते हैं, करने को कोई problem नहीं. Of course, she is way ahead.
No,
in her.
That's not true. You are doing things perfectly only because being perfect is just a myth. Nobody can do it like a pro doing nothing. We are breathing. It is still carbon emissions. So we are just trying to do things.
Trying to do things. Yeah.
Imperfectly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. कल से आज better बनना है वही मैं सोचती रहती हूँ.
Exactly.
Like in fact, I remember the first time I went to her house. I got her gajra and वो आंटी ने मुझे गजरा प्लास्टिक में पैक करके दिया था. And I'm like कि नहीं वो निकालो पेपर. So I know I've changed because you are just around me. Like I follow you. I see your thought processes. She also wakes up early, does her yoga. She also now has a cat. Both of us are now cat moms.
Yeah.
And
somehow like I was convinced that I can rescue a cat and take care of her because of you because you rescued these cuties and you, as I said, as I was saying earlier, that you inspire me so much and I feel like I'm not the only one. So yeah, I feel even about the Bharatianization that I'm not the only one who is talking about it. So I also feel inspired. I also feel uplifted, motivated.
It's like taking energies from each other.
Harvesting energy.
So I was like, how about we ask Preeti to make a mystery box for us so that I can get more sustainable options, maybe vegan options. I don't know इसके अंदर क्या है, but I just thought कि एक बहुत सही कॉन्वर्जेशन हो पाएगी. थोड़ा सा हम ही समझेगा कि हम कैसे और चीजें, मतलब मैंने कहीं पे भी तो पढ़ा कि 100% सस्टेनेबल नहीं हो पाए इसलिए 10% के लिए भी ट्राई नहीं किया.
Exactly.
That has changed my perspective. कि ठीक है, I can't be 100% sustainable, but even if I can be 10-20, I want to try. So I'm hoping that this video will be that for you also. So yeah. What our budget for this was 10,000 and I'm pretty much excited for.
And I am nervous.
Really?
Yeah, it's my exam time.
Without wasting any further moment, let's get started. चलो, let's start. ऐसा कुछ है कि पहले ये खोलना है, वैसे ऐसे कुछ
नहीं कर सकते. Like ऐसे ही सीक्वेंस में वो रखा ही है.
पहले ही सस्टेनेबिलिटी का पार्ट हमें मिल गया है. फालतू में पेपर रैपर्स, प्लास्टिक रैपर्स मत लाओ, न्यूज़पेपर.
और ये पुराना रिबन है जो बुके से आया था.
या फ्लावर्स एंड फ्लावर्स. FNP, nice.
So we open it from here.
या मैं ऐसे सोची थी अच्छे से एकदम ठीक से करूं. सेलो टेप भी नहीं लगाई, चिपका के लाए. प्लास्टिक सेलो टेप नहीं यूज करते इसके लिए. Assuming box भी किसी से कुछ आया था.
It has been repurposed.
Repurpose is the
word.
Oh my god. Dude, I like this is so cool. Look at this. Okay. कुछ भी ले सकती हूँ इसमें से.
कुछ भी.
Let's start with this only. Dude, this is a lipstick from Ruby Organic. भाई मैं अभी आप just यही मैंने बोला था. We were just getting ready and I was telling her that उसने मुझे उसका लिपस्टिक दिखाया ना. I was telling her कि हाँ मुझे भी लेना है ये वो.
We think same.
We are pretty much that way.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't know, Ruby Organics is actually a. आपको बताना है why did you, like you tell me why did
Yeah,
you?
so like I see that you are transitioning to sustainable living, vegan living. So I thought like let's start from everything, daily use things. So what could be really intimate than lipstick?
Yeah.
So it has to be organic because we end up eating it as well. So why not do
Our partners also end up eating.
That is true.
Dude, this is so nice.
I hope that
just dude, I was just telling her मैंने इसकी same shade है ये जो हमने लगाई है.
I think so.
मैं अब भी just ये shade, this is the same shade. मैंने ये ली थी इससे ही लगाई थी and I said कि bro ये बहुत सही है मुझे ये लेनी है. Thanks dude, thanks, thank you so much and yeah, a review will come soon because बहुत लोग
I'm happy that.
Dude, good start. Okay, let's go. Kokum Crayon Body Bar. Okay, tell us about this.
So this is the replacement for anything toxic creams we are using. So this is basically I use because my skin is very flaky, very dry. And but this is like legacy of India. It is actually produced in Goa and it's like people are doing it everywhere and that's the traditional shape they give and you can just melt it and or directly just apply
ये
it.
मेरी दादी वो अपने crack heels पे ये हुई है.
Yes, and that's what bigger brands like luxury brands also use in their creams. So why not just take the cream itself, like the butter itself, and use it directly? So
100% natural body butter,
exactly,
handmade by tribal communities of India.
Yes,
it comes from kokum fruit. It's a lightweight moisturizing bar. इसका metal भी है. No, this is so interesting. This is very interesting. इसे गरम करना होगा.
गरम करना होता है. Otherwise, it's like really nice. Texture is really nice.
It's literally like a crayon-y.
Yeah. It's butter. When you melt it, then it gets better, even better.
But I am a Vaat Prakriti, so I am so happy.
I'm so glad. Like
I am so happy. I so wanted some things like this to come on my channel. Kioni. अच्छा ब्रांड है क्या ये? आप यूज करते हैं इसका?
लग्जरी ब्रांड. Yeah, I use it.
और भी चीजें बनाते हैं ये wellness
में? They make a lot of things that are like 100% non-toxic and made from plants, especially from across the globe, not just from India. So you can find multiple herbs related, products. Yes.
Dude, I'm gonna look into this. This is very interesting. Thanks.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead.
I'm glad that.
मैं तो बहुत खुश.
It's also about like you value it.
Yeah. I genuinely do. Okay, this is Shrida. Okay, it says natural home and food.
Yeah, what's you to see?
कार्डबोर्ड का स्मेल तो आ रहा है मुझे. पता नहीं लग रहा है क्या है इसके अंदर. It's okay. I love lemongrass. I
got lucky.
I love lemongrass. Please tell us about this. You thought
so? Yeah, I mean, a lot of majority of candles we have at home have the VOCs. That means they have volatile chemicals that can disrupt our endocrine or anything blood related issue. So we end up having a lot of issue related to fertility and periods or anything like just having asthma or bronchitis or something like that.
Candle के fumes के ये होता है. That's why I also shifted on
soy.
Not soy, evaporators like essential oil पानी में डालना because of the
it's safer and it doesn't have the perfume.
Oh, it says natural soy wax, non-toxic, handmade and lemongrass.
Yes, you open it like this.
Okay.
Slippery
हो गया है वो.
Yeah, I'll just use.
अरे इतनी अच्छी हैंडलूम. nice. love these things. ये spa हम जाते हैं तो
Yeah, they have it. Yeah.
I wish you any one of you like could smell it. This is too good. This is too good. Thank you. I'm gonna check this. ये सिर्फ candles बनाते हैं क्या? I think बहुत चीजें और बनाते हैं.
Yeah, they do.
Shrida, dude, I'm going to like check into all the brands that you're using and definitely.
I am
going to-
glad that my nervousness is slowly
Yeah,
fading
bro,
away.
I was very confident. तू तो एकदम सही चीज है. मैं जब भी इनके घर में जाती हूँ या इनका भी we shot a get ready with me and I'm like pouch में क्या दिखाऊँ because I know everything that she wears is a vegan. Second 99.9 जहाँ पे भी अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट पॉसिबल है जो नॉन टॉक्सिक हो सकता है वो उनके पास होता ही होता है. So I always like ठीक है. Oh, by the way, whenever like she's saying any of these scientific things, please know आप ही actually बताओ what you do and what all you have studied to be here and how things have been for you.
Yeah, so actually I am a health practitioner, so basically a health coach, and my journey started when I was sick 10 years back. I had Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism, GERD, and rheumatoid arthritis, and then I was told that I could not reverse any of these symptoms. So my journey started from there when I was feeling helpless like everybody else, but then I started taking care of myself and I got into nutrition, I got into yoga sadhana and everything. So I somehow ended up entering in this world of nutrition and everything, and then I learned studied nutrition, and then I understood like how to take care of myself, and I actually reversed all my illness, all 4 of them. So I don't have like I had deformity in my hands as well, but it's getting better. Like you almost cannot see it, it's like normal, and I am off the medication. My periods are regular now, and I have never been this healthy, and this is what I do with people as well. I help them reverse their chronic autoimmune conditions naturally through just nutrition and food and obviously lifestyle. And I've also done my 500 hours of yoga teacher training, but yes, I am still not a teacher. I am just a yoga sadhak. So yeah,
just a योग साधक है. योग साधक भी होना एकदम
so
and आपने ये वाला जो न्यूट्रिशन कोर्स आपने किया था वो कहाँ से किया था?
That I did from USA, Ohio State of University, and yeah, since then like I've been working with a lot of people. I've been working with CEOs, professionals, IT professionals, doctors, psychiatrists. And
so anyone who actually, I'll be very honest, she's really good with her food. If you just follow her on Instagram, आप सिर्फ देखना वो ये बंदी रोज क्या खाती है. And mind you, she is elder to me. You are how many years elder to me?
So I'm 36.
You're like 10 years elder to me. 9 years elder to me.
Yeah.
And she is super healthy. कुछ जुकाम उकाम
Yeah, it's been 5 years since I have ever had any allopathic medication for fever or anything. I don't fall sick. Like even if I have some kind of weather
काढ़ा वाढ़ा बना के पीते होगे.
No, काढ़ा भी नहीं. It just goes away.
That's
away.
like,
so it's like I just feel it and it's not there.
She's always good at this thing. मतलब I think कल या परसों I called her and I was telling her मुझे गैस हुआ है and I just made खिचड़ी and she's like नहीं उसके साथ क्या कौन सा लौकी मिलाओ.
She said that she's having khichdi because you are supposed to do lighter things. So I was like, dal is not light. So instead of that, you mix, vegetables like gods.
हाँ, गैस नहीं, मैंने शुद्धि क्रिया की थी और इसीलिए मैं लाइट कुछ खा रही थी. So yeah, if you are someone who is stuck with your health, has any health issues, want to learn about yoga, nutrition, anything, I think, and just take inspiration of veganism or sustainability, want options. This is your goal.
Okay, my goal is like always hyping me up.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें. Okay, let's go ahead with this. ये ऊपर दिख रहा था. This is I think this I know. This should be. मतलब ऐसे पूरे आपके thoughts लिखने होते हैं ना at the end of the day or at the start of the day की.
Yeah, it's like basically like you are grateful for whatever you have, and you are aspiring to have, even for your thoughts, existence, anything, like to anybody, even for your partner.
Oh, dude, I like putting down my thoughts.
I know that you are very structured when it comes to writing it down or making notes of your life.
Yeah.
So that's why.
सही यार, ये एक बचा था. Having gratitude. मतलब gratitude book ही बची थी मेरे life में.
You have so much gratitude already floating in the environment, so that's why I just gave it to you.
This is so nice. I really like to put down my thought. ये बहुत अच्छे से बनी है. It's very pretty and very like I think I like good looking things also.
Yeah, of course, like you are pretty, so pretty things for the pretty lady.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go. बहुत वो मुझे rustic art दिख रहा है. I'll pick that because I like rustic art. I know the
Okay.
brand. I've been
Oh, you know the brand.
dude, I know the brand. I know the founder. I chill with the founder. Like I talk to
Okay.
her, and she's also a woman. And I
Yeah, it's a women-led
and
brand.
she's from Maharashtra. मतलब I did not know the owner as such. मैंने भी
Yeah.
पहले खरीदा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then I started making content around it. फिर they got in touch. And she's a Marathi girl, यार, and she's almost our age. So
That's
dude,
even better.
it's great. Like I only get
Yeah.
inspired by women. So when I talk to her, like
Actually, as a matter of fact, it's the women who have inspired me to become sustainable, to become the
Ah.
person who I am today. So, and it made me so much happier. So, if I have to give credit for my happiness, to give me this purpose, it's all women.
yeah, I also feel like women
Yeah.
always. Okay, so this is a lot. Powder. Oh,
Detergent, non-toxic.
detergent. Dude, I like their packaging also. I really like it. ये देखो detergent है और ये proper ऐसे जूट बैग में, जूट नहीं बोल सकते इसको.
It's canvas, cotton canvas. Yeah.
Suitable for regular use, enriched with lemon neem. Dude, I like rustic art के product है, genuinely enjoy. मैं खुद खरीदती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. Nothing like sustainable product. देखो velcro है कितना smart.
And you can use this pouch as well. It's
For
not
anything,
like
yeah.
you use and
Yeah,
throw
yeah.
it.
Superb यार. अब बस washing machine लेनी है मुझे. Dude, this is very nice. Thanks.
So it will not give you anything, any respiratory issues.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
a lot of children have the asthma indoors because of their detergents and cleaners.
Detergent. Oh.
So if you really want to, you are looking to, clean your life, you should actually start from your cleaners.
Yeah, dude, my vessels I've stopped using. I actually use Rustic Art and Beko. Both
Yeah.
of them.
Beko is not great. It's sustainable, but
Oh.
it is not non-toxic.
Okay. You know, but I completely agree to you कि आपका जो cleanliness वाला है, like आप क्या laundry में use कर रहे हो, बर्तन में
ये
use कर रहे हो, even
बहुत
cleaning
important
का जो surface touch points होता है. And I'll tell you what, ये मैं ज़्यादा aware हो गई because बिल्ले नहीं
Yeah.
floor चाट रही है, but वो चाटते हैं, तो I can't
Exactly.
put chemicals या synthetics या
like,
fumes on.
I changed so much because of my sister. She had, every year she has tonsillitis, every, season change. And that made her miserable. Once I changed all these things, it's gone.
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 Yeah. People don't understand that, but it is.
Yeah.
Okay. I see reusable pads. Nice.
These are organic cotton reusable.
Nice.
pads.
मैं सोच रही थी मैं इसका because मैं कोई भी disposable period care नहीं use करती हूँ. I
Yeah,
don't
that's-
use disposable
That is,
period care.
that creates so much of, waste. Like around 1 million of, pads are going
in waste.
in
Yeah.
waste every year. So
मैंने actually I started using menstrual cup 8 years back. Since 8-9
Wow.
years. And क्या पता है एक ही लाइन थी किसी सेलिब्रिटी ने बोली थी कि आपने आज तक जो भी पैड्स यूज किए हैं वो आज भी
ये environment में
अर्थ
है.
पे कहीं पे तो पड़े हुए हैं एंड
है.
दैट ब्रोक मी. दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड सस्टेनेबल थिंगी.
Yeah.
एंड उसके बाद और एक चीज है कि वी हैव ओपनिंग डाउन देयर आल्सो.
Yeah.
तो am I okay having a synthetic thing there?
Of course.
I was not, so I was like ठीक है देखते हैं.
The
And
painful periods are really, related to the perfumes
yeah,
being
yeah,
used.
yeah.
In the
Even the
pads.
plastic, so many have these like plastic
layers.
coatings. Yeah,
And it
Yeah.
also has formaldehyde, that is a known carcinogen. Like
Yeah.
it can
disrupt
give
your
you
endocrines.
no carcinogen. That means that it can give you cancer.
Oh.
Yes. So it's not just have the VOCs that are volatile organic compound, but it can give you tumor. It can give you, it can change your DNA.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
No, yeah. This is one thing that I started way early, and I'm really very happy.
Yeah, it's
with
something you would change. Like anybody who love their bodies, want to be healthy, it's something you cannot negotiate on.
तो ये वाली साइड ऊपर आएगी. आई थिंक ये वाली आएगी ना ऊपर, ये सॉफ्ट वाली.
Yes.
हाँ, और ये ऐसे लगाना है.
Yes. you
और मुझे
can
ये
just
ट्राई
do-
करनी थी. मैं ना मेंस्ट्रुअल कप यूज करती हूँ और पीरियड पैंटीज यूज करती हूँ.
Yes.
और मुझे बहुत टाइम से इसे ट्राई करना ही था. तो
Yeah, I
thanks.
got it. That you can just try.
Yeah, thanks dude. Thanks. See, that's so nice. Lovely. And I'll tell you what, मैं पीरियड पैंटीज बहुत यूज करती हूँ. तो बहुत लोग ना क्या करते हैं उसको सुखाते और बाथरूम में रखते हैं, बाथरूम में ह्यूमिडिटी होती है तो वो अच्छी से उसमें और बैक्टीरिया होगा, तो
Yeah.
मैं कभी भी ना धूप में डालती हूँ. Nothing like sun.
Exactly.
Free.
I agree with you.
पूरा
I
उसका-
have done that too. Like if you keep any clothing that is
Anything.
wet
Yeah,
damp,
yeah.
it gets the fungus.
Yeah.
But if you are keeping in the sun, nothing
Nothing.
is, the best, cleaner is your sun.
सन. इवन
Yeah.
लूफा जो लोग यूज करते हैं, मैं बाथरूम में रखती थी, एंड दैट बिकम्स अ ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड. तो बहुत लोगों को मैंने ऐसे
That's-
देखा है कि नहीं वो कपड़ा नहीं यूज
That's
करना
a really
है.
good point.
या लाइक बहुत लोग ना ऐसे मैंने कमेंट्स में भी देखा है कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हम हमारे ब्लड को कैसे हाथ लगाएंगे, वो कपड़ा कैसे धोएंगे. आई एम लाइक
That blood is coming out of our own body. If we are going to hate our own things, imagine like
and I don't feel bad, like I feel bad for those women, because imagine like you as a woman, you're saying this. That
exactly.
means you are the victim of this societal stupidity. and-
Exactly, it's just being victim of capitalism. Like society made you, capitalism
Yeah.
made you think that
Yeah,
way, that
yeah.
that period
That-
blood
yeah.
is something impure, you don't want to touch.
You don't know.
I would love to touch it. I would love to, even in indigenous, civilization, they used to use the
Use
menstrual blood as,
blood. Yeah, yeah,
tilak.
also.
and we being from the land where we worship our menstruating goddess Kamakya.
Kamakya. Oh my
And-
God. I was telling about Kamakya to one of my Catholic friend who is an Indian. She's like, तुम्हारे में ऐसा है? वो flip हो गई बंदी. Imagine we have a
Exactly.
god. कामाख्या में literally योनि की पूजा होती है.
That's our whole civilization is based on Garbhagriha, the mandirs.
Yeah.
That represents our womb.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's all about menstruating, all these beautiful things what we have
Stigmas around.
yeah, stigmas around, and we have demonized it. And
Yeah.
it's all colonial thing. It was never
है ना,
a
आए
bad
हमारा
thing.
सारा अच्छा चीज़ बोले सब गंदा है गंदा
सब
है.
गंदा है.
और तुम्हारे
Now they are doing
And
it
now
and
they're taking
saying that enchanted gathering and sisterhood and all these things.
I can see a loofah. It is a loofah only, right?
Yeah, so it's actually basically loofah, or you can use it to scrub the utensils.
You
So it's multi.
Oh,
So-
I love this. आज हाँ कहीं पे वैसा मेड इन इंडिया वाला साइन होता है ना. I take personal pride in. अच्छा मैं ये खोलूंगी नहीं because अच्छे से packed and मेरे पास
इसमें सीड भी रहेगा उसका.
सही है यार ये तो. ये मैं लूफा यूज करती हूँ. आपने मेरे बाथरूम में देखा होगा. I love
Yes.
using loofah.
So basically, I don't use any scrub pad for my utensils. I use
ये
these
यूज
only.
करते हो.
Yes.
Nice. Because
Because-
I have a coconut one and वो ना हाथ को लग रहा है.
And
तो-
coconut one is also being stuck with the glue, so it doesn't have glue. It will again, coconut will also create microplastic because of the glue, but this will not leach.
Ladies and gentlemen, sustainable living. हाँ, भाई बहुत अच्छे से बनाया तुमने, बहुत ही अच्छे से, मस्त एकदम.
I'm glad.
101 marks. Okay, let's see this. This is
Organic soap, 100%.
पैकेजिंग. यार मुझे ना सस्टेनेबल या जो हमारे इंडी ब्रांड्स होते हैं जो सस्टेनेबल होते हैं उनकी पैकेजिंग बहुत सही लगती है. बहुत.
Very pretty.
बहुत
very
pretty
Sometimes before this, I used to even wrap. Few of them had such a good packaging that I would keep them.
Babe, Rustic Art also makes soaps. Just get them from them. You know
Sure,
what they
I
do?
will.
ये paper है ना, they
Hmm.
put cotton.
Oh.
So say by this is like a lavender soap.
Hmm.
तो वो लैवेंडर कलर का ये ऐसा पेपर उसके अंदर
This is a very underrated brand actually.
very underrated brand and
Yeah.
they have their own factory also, like they're doing things. So बहुत सही लगता है
Wow.
कि you are able
They are
to
just changing lives.
yeah
in a way.
they are. भाई बहुत प्यारा है.
It's really
Very
nice.
nice.
And because why I prefer this
Huh.
one, because it runs longer. Like I
Is
have tried a lot of organic soaps. Obviously organic things are expensive, so when I tried this, like I use it for my hand wash as well, because anything I've used, they just get finished really soon. But this goes in the washroom, this goes in the as a hand soap. It runs for like month.
Saka
Saka
organic
Organic.
dude.
हाँ.
I'm so glad I'm getting to know so many ब्रांड्स. ये बहुत सही है, बहुत ही ज्यादा ही मजा आ गया. रुकावट के लिए खेद है, पर प्यार से मांगो तो लोग पैसा भी दे देते हैं और मैं तो सिर्फ आपका प्यार चाहती हूँ. इफ यू लाइक द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट आई एम मेकिंग, इफ यू लाइक द काइंड ऑफ नैरेटिव आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुश ऑन दिस चैनल, देन प्लीज सपोर्ट कीजिए बाय ड्रॉपिंग दिस इमोजी ऑन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इससे दो चीजें होती है. एक, मुझे समझ में आता है कि इनको ऐसे कुछ देखना है, ये सारी चीज़ों को अच्छी लग रही है देखने. प्लस यूट्यूब को समझ में आता है कि अच्छा
Yeah.
लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं, एंगेज कर रहे हैं, तो अच्छा वीडियो होगा और लोगों को दिखाते हैं. सो दैट इज इट. जस्ट ड्रॉप दिस इमोजी एंड या
Please guys, drop the emoji.
एंड चल गए वीडियो आगे देखिए. बहुत बड़ा डब्बा लग रहा है. What is? I like hibiscus tea. I love hibiscus tea. ये loose ये है.
Leaves हैं. Yeah.
क्या अच्छा ये तुमने बोला कैफीन फ्री ये
नहीं.
था अच्छा और है क्या? तो I been drinking coffee and I
Yeah,
should not be
she is.
drinking coffee and मैंने कम किया and I was telling her कि हाँ मतलब मैं बोल रही थी कि लोगों को दारू और सिगरेट छोड़नी है
इन्हें छोड़नी है कैफीन.
मुझे छोड़नी है कॉफी. तो she said ये कुछ तो है मेरे मिस्ट्री बॉक्स में ये नहीं है वो बोल रहे हो नहीं. So this is why did you decided to give this?
So it's really good. Like it's very calming for anybody. Like best for anybody, but especially for people who have gut issues. So yes.
I'm so glad we did that consultation with you long back. Now you know all my.
Yeah. I just see you also like we talk and I get to know you, so
Yeah,
I understand what you actually need.
तो इसको सिर्फ पानी में उबालना
Yes.
है राइट इसको?
Yes, you can also put it like for 2 hours in water
हाँ.
and drink directly. It doesn't have
और
to be
कैसे
boiled.
सुबह रात ऐसे कुछ है?
किसी भी टाइम पी सकते हैं.
My community is going to be so happy because उनको पता है अब इस सब चीज का रिव्यूज भी आएगा. I'm so glad.
Yeah, let me know. Okay.
Okay. हाँ फिर भी और कितनी चीज यार ये तो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. ये क्या है?
Okay. So this is from my hometown, Varanasi, and Varanasi is famous for the wooden art.
Oh.
So it's a doll that has another doll inside, and that has another doll inside. And if you are in Varanasi, you must buy this kind of showpiece. So you can put it on your console or somewhere.
It's so cute यार.
Yeah.
So cute. And ये पूरा hand painted होगा.
Yes, hand painted.
शिवलिंग जैसे ही लग रहा है ये तो. See? So cute.
This also has.
एक तो you're so lucky that you are born in Kashi.
Yeah. For that, I really consider.
इसमें और है क्या?
इसमें
और है.
Okay.
Dude, look at this.
I knew that it will make you really happy.
It is so cute.
It's a souvenir from me for you.
It's and because I have a new
See.
house, so I can definitely. This is so cute. बहुत ही प्यारा है, बहुत ही प्यारा है.
It's something to remember by,
तुझे नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. don't worry.
Whenever you see it, you'll remember my hometown.
है ना? Dude, I love Kashi.
We should go there together,
Bro.
Like I'll love to, I would love to.
And I
take
would
you
love to
around.
go there with someone who is from Kashi because I've been there for like मैं एक बर्थडे पे सोलो ट्रिप पे गई थी वहाँ पे तो 16-17 दिन रही हूँ मैं काशी में एंड नहीं यार 16-17 दिन भी बहुत कम है बहुत कम है बहुत ही प्यारा है इसका क्या नाम रखे प्लीज suggest a name for this. Just giving you FYI, my cat name is Peru and Jamun and इनके बिल्ली का नाम है इमली.
Imli. Chutney is not bad actually.
So please suggest a name for the dog. Okay, let's go ahead.
See.
I think I know what this is. This should be like straw and like
Yeah.
Bro,
Okay.
मेरे को लेना ही था ये because मैंने ना 2 साल पहले प्रण लिया कि मैं आज से कभी प्लास्टिक बोतल लूंगी नहीं which has been gone very strong. मैंने मतलब गिन के 2 साल में 5 प्लास्टिक के बोतल.
I'm so proud of you.
I am very happy कि I was able to and I'll tell you what मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ ना तो आप सोचो ना तुम दिन का मैं कम पानी पीती हूँ तो मैं 1 बॉटल बोलूंगी पर लोग 2 बॉटल तो खरीद ले. तुम 14 दिन ट्रैवल कर रहे हो 15 दिन ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तुम 30 बॉटल ये लिए
ऐसे ही वेस्ट.
एंड यू लिव इन भारत जहाँ पे पानी के लिए कोई ना नहीं बोलता. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव ऑलवेज बीन कि तुम कैसे किसी के घर का पानी पी सकते हो. अरे वो पी रहा है उसको उसके अपने
We belong to a country जहाँ पानशालास खुलवाते थे राजा महाराजा. Free water for everyone.
free water. So I have been drinking water and my next step was to carry straw because I see कि जब भी आप जूस वगैरह पीते हो तो वो प्लास्टिक का स्ट्रॉ ही देते हैं.
It's the beginning step, but later you would not even need that. So I have come to that point.
So cool.
And it comes with this cleaner.
So I have these straws, but I wanted some as a packet जो मैं वैसे भारत से लेके जाऊँ. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in because आप कैफे वगैरह में जाओ या कैफे भी छोड़ो just आप जूस पीने भी निकल गए वो डाल के देती है.
Yeah.
Somehow I don't know like I prefer straws.
Some people,
I do.
Yeah,
somehow
you have a choice then.
Yeah.
You don't have to compromise. Reusable. So it's
reusable,
reusable. Yeah.
So cool. You know, I've seen people जो अपना like
and this is made of hemp.
Oh,
it's not jute.
So cool, yeah.
Yeah,
so
hemp
cool.
is one of the most organic clothing where bacteria cannot survive.
उसकी frequency भी सबसे ज़्यादा ना, even cotton
हाँ,
में इससे भी
cotton
ज़्यादा.
से it's close to linen. So linen
हाँ.
has the highest frequency around 5
5
megahertz,
yeah.
and this also has
कुछ
the
480 या ऐसे कुछ तो I
Yeah.
think I.
Yeah.
मैंने देखा कि like people also carry their cups
Yeah, they do.
and डब्बा so that कुछ left, and मैंने अगर मंगाया ना तो मेरा रहता ही रहता है, and then I get it in plastic and I'm not happy. Like I am now recycling my plastic, but somehow it would be so nice if I am
Yeah.
just getting reusable. ओ भाई बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे अभी भी बहुत चीजें हैं. ओके चलिए, ये छोटू सा कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे. बेयर नेसेसिटीज डिसॉल्व डिश वॉश. सो ये पानी में डालना है और इसका डिश वॉश बनेगा. Dude, this is so cool.
Yeah.
So cool. If I'm not wrong, इसका कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि एक तो तुम शिपिंग में पानी 50-60 तक का तो पानी होता है ऐसे हमारे क्लीनिंग
So
प्रोडक्ट्स में.
basically we are giving money for water.
Yeah.
And also it takes a lot of carbon emission for product to reach to you.
Yeah.
So when we cut it down, like it almost cuts down up to 80% of carbon emissions. And also this is like, you know, easily either you can recycle it or, you know, just
हाँ, ये
compost
पेपर
it.
ही है. हाँ,
Yeah,
ये तो
compost
आराम
it.
से
Also it's non-toxic.
Of course,
Yeah.
everything that I'm seeing today is obviously going to be non-toxic for sure. This is cool यार. I have one more. Tabs करके एक brand है. Same ऐसी चीज़ से बताता है. ऐसे
there are
capsules.
many brands.
या और आ रहे हैं अभी बहुत
Yeah,
ऐसे
there
आ
are.
रहे हैं.
It's a good thing.
Good
like,
thing.
Such a revolution, because one of my friend, when she was in India and she's from USA, she said that at this price you will never get non-toxic stuff in USA.
In US.
So whatever, even the food things, you know, protein powders, everything, at like everything that is luxurious, premium, are really available on a very reasonable price. So we should.
ये तो
feel-
सस्ते ही होते हैं यार. I think cleaning मतलब मुझे
yeah,
इसका
but
नहीं
it's
पता.
not really, you know, accessible in Europe or in USA in such prices. Even for Indian, like we can afford these. These are not super
So
expensive.
cool यार. Like look at this guys. इससे तुम्हारा shipping cost पूरा कम हो जाता है.
Yeah.
ये पूरा ये प्लास्टिक नहीं है. So this is going to get recycled. Plus this is just product. तो उसमें तुम खुद का जो भी जार है, जो तुम्हारा
पहले से
पिछला
है,
वाला जो
वो यूज कर
वो
लो.
होगा, वो यूज करना है. And your dishwash is ready. So I already have laundry sorted. I have dishwashing sorted. I have my own washing sorted also. So that is very cool. और
Yeah.
भी बहुत चीजें हैं. Okay.
I didn't tell about it because, you know, I wanted to see you excited.
खाने की तो कोई
नहीं,
चीज
no,
नहीं
guess
है.
करो, guess करो.
मेटल ही लग रहा है मतलब.
हाँ, metal तो है.
अब कुछ भी हो सकता है. तुम तो कुछ भी ले. नहीं, I can't guess. Oh my God. Guys, this is the same thing जो मैं अभी इसको बोल रही थी कि वो खुद की ग्लास लेके जाते हैं.
So it's collapsible
I
cup.
wanted it. ईश्वर परिधान is such a thing. Yay!
Yes. You just tighten it.
I
and
have my tea cup. I don't drink tea, but I have a cup.
you can drink, you know, juices.
What? No, I drink so much of juice and I get very frustrated with the fact कि
You are using.
yeah,
the
and you
cup.
can't take a glass properly outside, but
This you can.
this I can. There are like so many people that
Like you were saying it and see that it
It's
made
there.
me so
तूने
happy.
expression एकदम अच्छे से contained करके रखा.
Yes.
मैं होती तो मैं इसमें वो.
Exactly. Why to ruin the surprise? Like she wouldn't have been this happier.
Yeah, I wouldn't have been. I think I'm very, very, very
Yeah.
happy. You know, मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे sustainable creators को follow करने लगी हूँ. That shift has happened naturally. You know, पहले
Yeah.
मैं बहुत अलग लोगों को follow करती थी, but now I'm.
Exactly. That's the part of our growth. So
Yeah.
if you really want to learn, you know, a lot of, you know, different things about sustainability, you should follow, you know, really great creators like Zero Waste Adda.
Zero waste and I follow.
Yes, Sonika Bhasin and
I
Shreya
also-
Godawat.
Shreya तो
Yeah,
met हो गया.
she's great for veganism. And
You know, जब I met Shreya also, I said the same thing कि the very fact that you are telling me options, like मुझे vegan बनना है पर मैं पनीर नहीं छोड़ सकती और तू मुझे बताया टोफू मिल रहा है इस ब्रांड का अच्छा है. I am so happy you are able to
exactly
do
like
that.
these people are like, you know, anchoring us.
Anchoring us.
Yeah.
True. ये भी मैंने बहुत सारे सस्टेनेबल क्रिएटर्स को यूज करते हुए देखा है and I have it. Okay, let's try this. This is Ayan Tara. भाई packaging is so cool.
It's pretty.
Absolute Himalayan ashwagandha powder. Oh, single farm, no ashwagandha powder, like a pure ashwagandha.
Yes.
Oh my god. अश्वगंधा ऐसे कौन कैसे कंज्यूम कर सकता है बता.
So it's basically for your sleep. So you get uninterrupted sleep and longer sleep. It's for that, and also for anxiety. It really is great for anxiety. Yeah, especially for men. It's really great for them.
तो इसको पानी में डाल के
Yes, you just take a teaspoon of powder in a lukewarm water, and after your dinner you can take it.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बस इतना ही करना है.
बस इतना ही करना है.
सही
You
है
will
तो.
see significant change in your health. Especially it's very amazing for adrenal gland that is liable to keep our energy stable, the cortisol levels stable. So it's great for
इसके
them.
पीछे क्या लिखा है? 1% of our revenue is directed towards Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust Ladakh.
Yeah,
बहुत सही
because
लगता है
it's
मुझे
coming
ऐसे.
from the Himalayan
Himalayas.
range.
मुझे
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छे लगता है ये, इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि भारत से खरीदो, भारतीय लोगों के लिए खरीदो, भारत की इकोनॉमी से खरीदो और भारत की इकोनॉमी को ग्रो होते हुए देखो.
Exactly. See,
Love
so
this.
we have supported so many brands,
So many, and all of them are Indian. Like all of them
them.
are Indian brands.
Indian led, Indian
led.
origin,
Yeah, Indian.
100% made by Indian.
For
you know,
Indians. For the globe
Indian.
actually. मैंने ये अभी
Yeah,
ना
for
change करना है. मैं पहले बोलती थी by the Indians for the Indians. अब मैं बोलती हूँ by Indians for the globe.
Exactly.
Because
Yeah, of
जब मैं
course.
200 TTC कर रही थी ना, तब I had most of my batchmates as non-Indians.
Non-Indians.
Dude, they can't pronounce ashwagandha. They're like ashwagandha, but they want ashwagandha, and that is
Exactly.
so amazing. So,
Of course, like even the turmeric, they cannot pronounce it, but they are mad behind turmeric. So they
and they
call it
really
turmeric.
appreciate. मतलब मैंने से देखा है कि बाहर के लोग ना ज़्यादा appreciate करते हैं हमारी
Appreciative है.
चीज़ों
They are
को.
even appreciative of Ayurveda,
Yeah.
which our own Indians call pseudoscience.
Yeah,
So, but it's luckily now WHO has also
पागल लोग हैं
partnered.
ना यार, तुम्हारा मेडिकल सिस्टम है, तुम्हारा 6 साल का इंस्टीट्यूशन.
Actually, they don't know that this very medical system is based on Shushruta Samhita.
father of surgery,
Surgeon,
Shushruta.
exactly.
The first
Even the blades and the scalpels are used are all
by Shushruta.
Shushruta only, and even in Australian university.
Yes,
There is-
just going to tell you this. So Shey Shushruta is the father of surgery. He's the first one who did surgery of rhinoplasty and cataract.
Yeah.
उन्होंने I think कुछ समझा 50 equipments हो गए सर्जरी के लिए, तो 12 या 25 सुश्रुत जी ने दिए. एंड पता है वो सर्जरी कैसे करते थे? तब बॉडी आइस वगैरह कुछ था नहीं ना, तो डीके हो जाएगी, तो उन्होंने बॉडी को बहते पानी में, रिवर में रखा. सो जो भी गंदगी है वो पूरी फ्लो होते जा रही है, एंड दे आर एबल टू सी एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड ये मैंने कह रही हूँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एक बहुत बड़ी सर्जरी की कॉलेज है,
Yeah.
जहाँ मेन एंट्रेंस पे जैसे हम गणपति जी या बुद्धा को रखते हैं, वहाँ पे शेष सुश्रुत की
I think Dhanvantri.
नहीं शेष
सुश्रुत
धन्वंतरी
जी.
की भी जी होगी, बट
अच्छा.
इट इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द
Okay.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी. तो
And they also perform a mantra before anything, surgery, like the Australian
So cool,
department.
no?
Like that's cool. And here, like somebody had, commented that, my life is in danger if doctors are like that. And that was in Indian.
बुद्धि भ्रष्ट लोग. ओके, दिस इज होम. ये मैंने तुम्हारे घर पे देखा था, आई थिंक,
Yes.
ककाओ पाउडर.
Yes.
हाँ, ये वही है ना?
So yeah, it is substitute for your coffee, and
Oh.
it has caffeine, but little bit. Like it has 35 mg, caffeine.
So
it's compared to coffee, it's really better, and it's not cocoa, it's cacao.
ककाओ.
So it's not roasted. It's not being alkaline. It's in real natural form.
ओके, आई माइट साउंड वेरी अनपढ़, बट ककाओ इज चॉकलेट का जो
Chocolate.
हाँ.
But the thing is, when you burn it, it becomes cocoa, and that is not very sustainable for your health and gut. So it's cheaper. And this is not cheaper because it takes a lot of time to, when you make it, it looks pink, and that is burnt, so that looks like, coffee color.
Oh.
So this is better.
Yeah, I think मैंने आपके घर पे टेस्ट भी किया था.
Yes.
कड़ू है
So
है
you
ना?
have to mix it with, whatever you are mixing it,
हाँ,
the coffee, and then
डेट पाउडर
Dates,
लाने
date,
वाली हूँ मैं,
yes.
उसके साथ डालने वाली हूँ मैं.
yes, it tastes
अगेन यार
amazing.
पैकेजिंग देखो ना, कितनी प्यारी है इसकी.
And it's a very small brand. They make it in small
batch
batches.
produce, yeah.
You can also make, you know, ice creams with it.
हाँ.
You put in your smoothies.
आप तो बनाते होगे मुझे लग रहा है.
Yeah, I don't make a lot of ice cream because it's not great for our health.
Especially Vata
Yeah.
with
Lot of
with a
dryness
lot
and
of, you know,
coldness,
dryness.
yeah.
Okay, I think I'm on the last bit of this.
Yeah, I am really excited for
It's
you
like,
to
oh,
see
these are
this.
like bag. Oh, is this a sari?
Yeah.
Dude, इतना सब कैसे आ गया यार इतने से पैसों में? Oh, dude, this is the cover of the brand that they have
Yes.
sent. उन्होंने ये brand ने the shop इन्होंने इसमें साड़ी को भेजा है.
ये मैंने जाके खुद लिया है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
बताओ जरा इसके बारे
So
में.
it's a like Indian brand, but you know about this craft. This is actually a craft from Rajasthan called Kota Doria. It's a very ancient, you know, around 300.
Bro, this
old.
is a very different kind of.
Yeah, so it's
fabric.
kind of khat. This pattern is called khat. You know, artisan terminology. So it's known for the you know, feathery effect. Like it's
ये
very light.
बहुत lightweight है ये.
Yeah.
अक्खी साड़ी.
Yes, let me see it. Yeah, and they are famous for this, you know, border, the gold border.
तो इसे खाट की साड़ी कहना है, ऐसे कहना है कि अगर किसी ने पूछा
No,
कि ये-
Kota Doria. So the
Kota
pattern is
Dor.
called the artisans call it khat.
हाँ.
The pattern.
खाट
you-
मतलब जो अपना बेड वाला.
Yeah. So
Ah,
it looks
yeah,
like that.
It
Yeah.
does. It does. I love it. Oh my god. Dude, I don't have anything like this, and it's very interesting. Like the pattern is so. And summers are here. This is such a perfect thingy for
Soft.
summers. You know, मैं recently एक documentary देख रही थी जहाँ पे this how Britishers were amazed कि हमारे viewers इतना पतला fabric बना रहे हैं. That
Muslin.
and then they had to actually ban us because वहाँ पे कोई उनका कुछ खरीद ही नहीं रहा था, सब हमारा ले रहे थे. And
Yes,
then
they had to ban it. Then you know, they started smuggling the muslin because muslin would come in this like, you know,
बहुत
palm.
हाँ. And it's pretty much, you know, ये देखो ना, ये अक्खी साड़ी है. मेरा टॉवेल भी इतना. Oh my god, so cool. And that is it. इसी तरह हम आ गए the end of this video. Firstly, thank you so much because ये बहुत time consuming task होता है.
I am honored actually that you picked me for this, and you trusted me with all this. So I'm
That's so
honored.
sweet. That's so sweet. You know, because I know for a fact.
She's sweeter.
I know for a fact कि actually time consuming job है.
It wasn't.
एक
Don't mention
select
that. Like I
करना.
really loved, you know, curating. You know, the word is curating, and I was given this responsibility, and I enjoyed it actually. Like I was from the you know, beginning only. I was like, you know, she's going to like it or not. Like let's, you know, see how it goes. But I'm sure that things are useful and they are, you know, non-toxic.
शिव जी की शपथ, I would never swear on Shiv like this. Everything that I've got today is something that I will use. I will definitely use, and not only use, I would also speak about them more because मेरा तो यही था thought process. एक कि आपसे मिलेगा तो बहुत organic brands को मुझे exposure मिल जाएगा, एक. सेकेंड, इनको भी मिलेगा. एंड आई नो मेरी ऑडियंस ऐसी है, मैं कमेंट्स देखती हूँ आप लोगों के, मुझे पता है इनको क्या चाहिए. एंड मैं उतनी केपेबल नहीं हूँ बिकॉज आपकी ये जर्नी बहुत टाइम से है. मैं तो अभी थोड़ा
You are so humble.
I've just started, right? तो I felt it would be so nice and थोड़ा फन वे में करना था बिकॉज हम ज्ञान देने बैठते तो कोई लेगा नहीं.
देखता भी नहीं.
Yeah, so I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. प्लीज डू फॉलो प्रीति. मैं तो उसको बहुत पुश कर रही हूँ आप यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करो बिकॉज जो आप सिखा रहे हो वो 60 सेकेंड के टॉपिक में नहीं हो सकता है.
Yeah.
तो प्लीज नीचे कमेंट में डालिए कि शी शुड स्टार्ट हर यूट्यूब. एंड उनके इंस्टाग्राम को प्लीज फॉलो कीजिए. उनके 2-3 अकाउंट है, मैं सारे नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी. इनके स्टोरीज देखो ही देखो. लाइक एवरी डे यू विल सी दिस गर्ल मेकिंग सम ग्रेट स्मूदीज, ग्रेट फूड and vegan food, and then she'll wake up early and she'll do her yoga beside that swimming pool that you have. It's lovely to see her, and none of the brand have sponsored either of us too. I wish.
I wish that it was sponsored. Yeah, actually it is sponsored for the brands.
Yeah.
Like we have
Yeah.
sponsored them.
Yeah,
So-
yeah. So yeah, thank you, and मैं आपको मिलूंगी next. Oh, sorry.
So today's shout out is to Sukriti Narula, and thank you so much for commenting on her video, and that's how she knows that you guys love her. And if you want this kind of shout out, प्लीज आप एक प्यारा सा कमेंट करिए, दिल से कमेंट करिए, एंड ये मेंशन करेंगी यहाँ पे.
That is it, guys. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.